What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is an unboxing for you about Jaybird 1XT. So this device, the price for it is $165 on Amazon. If you try to get it at the Best Buy or some other store, you're probably able to pay $200. But I'll put the link down below so you could check it out yourself, on Amazon. So it's pretty good. Let's open it and to see what you get for almost $200. The device there, put the knife away. Alright, it's gonna be a very quick unbox, just bear with me. It's very noisy outside, and damn, this thing is very hard to get out. That's the main device, you can see that. Put it from the side. Let's see what we get in the box. Alright, we got some cable. That's gonna be the cable, and you have to cut them, huh? Yeah, there you go. There's the cable. Wow, they give me like micro USB. That's crazy. And then this is the air tips. You get it from there. So it's really windy outside. Should have just do it another day instead of today. And then what else you got in the box? There's a micro USB. I'm disappointed of Jaybird, micro USB, and then very short cable. You can see. So yeah. Seems like you don't have that much nothing in the box beside that. This user book. I don't think people really read these things, and that's pretty much it you got at the box. Let me see beyond. Let's try to remove that. Yeah, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You got nothing in the box beside that. All right, so we're done with the box, right? Let's put the box on the side, and this, and then we're gonna take a look of the main device. This is the Jaybird. You can see it's not that big, it's not that small, it's between. And open it to see. That's what the main device is gonna look like. You can see it's pretty nice. It's gonna look like this, and then that too. So this video is supposed to be very quick unbox. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in charge and then test it, before I do the review. So to make sure everything is working perfect, and I will do a review coming up soon for it to let you know the sound quality, all this work, all this fit in your ear, if it's a good things, if you're supposed to consider to buy this. And I'm also gonna do a quick comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Buds to let you know which one should you buy. So that complete the video. Is an unboxing. So stay tuned for the next one, and have a wonderful day.